Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are going to do about the sorting, like doing filtration also we say. Okay, so guys, now till now we have completed that fetching of this mobile brands from your electronics or any other things like group, and then we move to mobile, from mobile to subcategory view, from subcategory view to all your products, right? So now till now we have completed this, and in previous video we learnt about this adding the summer note. Now in this video we will be doing our uh, standard of sorting for it, sorting process. So in next video we'll be learning about how to view this product in very detailed manner, but in this video we will complete that sorting thing. So let's get started with it. So guys, this is our product blade.php. So this is the link what we are moving with it, right? So this is my page. I just want to confirm you that this is the page exact what we are searching for. So let's create one column md12, and let's give margin bottom 3. So we are using bootstrap, and I just want to show you that we are in the same page where I have just typed it. So let's reload the page. Over here you can find that where is coming over here, right? So guys, now let's start with that options for sorting it. Simple. So let's type span one for, we'll make it sort by space semicolon, and I just wanted to give a class for it, class font weight bold and sort font. I have just created a simple class for it. So just copy this class, and I have given the CSS for this one, simple color, font size and margin. Okay, so this is a simple CSS which I am using for it. That's it. And then now let's use the a tag. As simple, I will use a tag, and here I will tell all, and the class will give is sort hyphen font. So this is the class which I am going to use, and paste for all, and let's tell this price hyphen low to high, and then price HIGH high to low, and then we can mention for newest products. So you can tell NEWEST, newest or latest. So whichever you feel comfortable you can put. So I feel like latest, and popularity also will give popularity product. Done. So it's now I just want to show you this how we are working with it. So let me execute this output. Let's reload this page, or hit Ctrl R, so your page will be designed. Cool. So guys, now you can see that everything is working fine, right? So now I wanted to filter. So all means it will be default thing how it is fetched now, and coming to low to high, the price will be from low to high, matlab ki we will be sorting that from lowest price. So lowest price is among this is 9,000, so 9,000 will be at the top, and then high to low, then high will be 18,000, so this one will be at the top. So these functions we are going to start. So guys, first step, we want this current URL to get. So in Laravel we have something called URL model. With that we are going to fetch, so model class. So I just want to show you that. Let me type it directly. So guys, you can tell URL colon or scope resolution current function. If you tell, that means this is the current URL which you are getting at it. Done. So now you can just view this. Let me save it. So I will show you the output for it. I will hover to it. You can understand how it is working. So you can see that all current URL will be fetched. Let's inspect that. As you guys can see here, collection electronic mobile MI brand. So this is the current URL which you are getting to it, right? So on all button, done. So same way we will fetch. Let me close this and we will get all these URLs. So let us copy, Control C, then paste. Let's paste it, and then we have to concatenate. So let me concatenate it and give double quotes and sort, you can tell, with that hyphen and your values. So how your values you are going to sort, not hyphen is equal to, will sort. Okay, so now guys, for first low to high, the price will be known as descending orders. You can understand. You can give price DESC, price DESC, low to high. Okay, sorry guys, it's not DSC, it's ASC. So ascending wise you will go. So ascending means from 1 to 3 it starts, and descending means from 100 to reverse, whatever the number is. So let's tell this price DESC. So now, and the third one which we wanted is that newest. So we can tell newest, 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 and this will be popularity, your popularity, and save this. Let's run the output for it. Let's see the output. Let's hit Control R and you can view it. So guys, now I'm going to click on this first low to high. So let me see what changes URL. So sort, it's giving directly, URL is non-object. Okay, so this filtration will do now. We have missed that actually. So what we have to do is that we have to start with question mark. So let's begin with that question mark, save this and reload once again. Now after reloading it, now we have to click on this. So let me click on it again, and you can see that sort question mark, this ASC price ascending, then low to high, sort is descending, price DESC, newest. So however you can filter this, right? So guys, now what we will be doing that we will be sorting according to this requests. So now we have to go to its controller. So as you can see, category, group, category, subcategory, and your product page, right? So we will move to route. So let's move to route web.php. As you can see that this is the category and subcategory URL over here. So let me click on it. Let's go to its controller. So this is the function which we are viewing the output of it. So this page is being viewed by this controller, I mean function. So now over here you have to do a simple steps. So first we will be checking it as simple. So first we will be checking the request, request request, of what request we are going to get the request. So what is the request you are going to get is nothing but sort, S-O-R-T. So let's copy that sort word or a filter if you are using, and we will tell is equal to single quotes the values whichever you are passing into it. So newest, low to high. So let me click on it, low to high. So price ASC. So you can put this way, right? And now coming back again, let's copy this and paste over here, and let me bring it down so it will be easy to understand. Now guys, what we have to do, we will copy one more step and we will tell this as order by, and this order by will be ASC, and this status means nothing, we have to place with the price because we are checking with the price thing, right? So guys, first let's go to the database and we will update. So you can see in the product table we are doing with the original price. So let's sort this by original price or offer price. You have to sort it, so whatever price you feel it. So we will be sorting to selling the price, so we have to sort with this. So let's sort according to this offer price. So let's copy that offer price and paste over here, right? And after this we are moving in the second step, so just put else if and begin again, and you have to follow the same steps. Done. So guys, now what we will be doing, same request, you have to check it again. So once copy and paste over here, and then check with the descending, what is it, price high to low, that is price desk. So let's copy and paste. So same way you have to pull it. So let me copy this again and paste over here. Once done, so price high to low means offer price DESC will be okay. So that way we are doing it. And now let's view for this third option. Again we have to copy this, so let's copy it once again and paste it, right? So after pasting this, we'll move with this third option, newest. So newest means the new added product will be there. So let's copy that, paste it, newest, and here you will be telling that created at. So you're going with the last one, so we will be fetching according to this. So this created at is nothing but the timestamp that when you insert the data will be stored according to the date and time. So the latest one we will fetch it. So that's the solution for that newest. And coming to final one, which is about the last, is nothing but popularity. So let's click on popularity and see, let me copy this and we will paste it over here, popularity, and then we have to remove this order by, okay, because popularity is nothing but checking the status. If the latest popular products means we have to check that the product of it's 1. So let us put that 1, and popularity we have created a column popular products, right? So as you can see in your product statuses, see this is the popular product. So if you check this and make it, that popular product will be there. So let us, before updating this, I will just let's view the output also and test what happens. Okay, so let's paste over here popular products, save, and final one, else if, then else, open bracket, close bracket, the column which we are using, this Control X and paste over here. That's it. So this was the output for it to view the sorting. So guys, now let us just sort and reload the page once again. So let me click on all, so my current URL will be fetched, and reload the page. Nice. So as you can see guys, 12,000, 11,000, 18,000 and 9,000. So it's fetched normally. Now let us click with low to high. So I am clicking on pricing low to high. So it's showing that 9,000, 11,000, 12,000 and 18,000. So from low to high, it's showing the pricing. And from, if I click to pricing high to low, you can see that the high to low 18,000 is starting, and then 12,000, 11,000, 9,000. It goes on, right? And coming to newest one, so the fetched type will be, so this is the latest added phone, and goes on, right? And coming to popularity, once you click on popularity, you see It's still loading. Okay, so there is no data on popular products, so we will just check this and update it, this first product. So let's, its data is updated. Nice. So we have updated that. We have updated my Note 7 Pro under the product status popular products. So let us click once again popularities. You can see that this product has been in popular process, right? So in this way you can do many types of sorting. Okay, so guys, now we have learned one way of sorting. There are many way of sorting, like price with popularity and price with latest of popularity, latest with that. So you can just create a sidebar and start sorting process. Okay, so guys, in this video we have completely done with that, how to sort the products according to low, high, newest, popularity and status things. So guys, next video we will be seeing about how to create a single product page and view its details and start with the add to cart process things. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.